Let's use Vietnam rice paper to steam vegetables rolls. Ingredients are rice paper, carrot, black fungus, cabbage, and coriander. Soak Vietnam rice paper in water to soften it. Put ingredients on rice paper. Fold both sides and roll it carefully. Repeat the same steps for the rest. Brush vegetables rolls with cooking oil. Steam at high heat for 10 minutes. Wow, looks good! Remove vegetables rolls from steamer and let it cool. Vegetables rolls are done. Now we will prepare the dipping sauce. Sauce ingredients are coriander, chili bark, and small limes. Chop all ingredients, squeeze lime juice into bowl and mix well. Optional to squeeze more lime juice for more sour taste. Seasoning with light soy sauce, sugar, and fish oil. This sauce goes well with vegetables rolls. It's appetizing, healthy, and delicious. You must try this recipe. Share this delicious recipes with your friends and family. Follow my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.